Today we will see a very simple egg breakfast, and you can see here tomato, cilantro, then you have garlic, onion, two green chili, and this is ginger, curry leaves, and egg. So this is the basic ingredient. First, oil goes in. Then goes the mustard seed, cumin seed goes, when it starts to splutter, we'll put the curry leaves, then goes the garlic, this frying will take out the smell from garlic. Then goes the onion, stir it, reduce the flame, then we will put the ginger, green chili, tomato goes in, let tomato become soft, salt to taste. I like to add coriander powder, cumin powder, some black pepper, turmeric. Now stir it well. Till it becomes mushy and oil separates from the masala. It's time to add the eggs. Just break open and like this. And we will close the lid for egg to cook. You can add while it is still cooking, cilantro as it is said here. If you want, you can add this at last. Let me take you up close and show this. This is almost cooked. I will switch it off and let it cook by itself with the steam. This is now fully cooked. Let me move away this. And this egg is ready. To this you can add your own variation. You can add the grated cheese, and this is ready to be served. So the breakfast is ready.